You've heard of DNA, but there's another silent hero inside your cells, an invisible messenger that turns information into action. Without it, DNA would be just a silent code trapped in the dark. Its name is RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. It's created from DNA through a process called transcription. Its mission? To carry a recipe for a protein from the nucleus to the cell's factory, the ribosome. Think of RNA as a delivery service. It copies a message from DNA and rushes to the ribosome, like it's delivering a food order. There, the protein is built step by step, exactly as the RNA instructed. But not all RNA is the same. The messenger is called mRNA. tRNA brings the ingredients, the amino acids, and rRNA helps build everything inside the ribosome. Together, they form life's production line. Without RNA, DNA would be like a locked book no one can read. RNA brings the instructions to life. It connects the commands in your nucleus to your body's actions. That's why when you grow, heal, or feel, RNA is there. Today, scientists use RNA in vaccines, like mRNA vaccines against viruses. This technology has revolutionized medicine and revealed the hidden power of this small yet essential molecule. DNA is the master blueprint. RNA is the executor. DNA stays safe in the nucleus. RNA goes to the battlefield, acts, executes, builds. Together, they are the heart of cellular life. RNA is more than a messenger. It's the link between information and action. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. And now that you know this, you'll never look at a cell the same way again.